Addressing the nation in Mann Ki Baat program on Akashwani on Sunday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed concern over a finding that only less than 1% of textile waste is recycled into new clothes. Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Samruti Mandir at Nagpur and paid homage at memorials dedicated to the founding fathers of RSS, popularly known as Guruji. President Draupadi Murmu, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi extended greetings to the people on the occasion of Ugadi, Gudi Padwa, Cheti Chand, Chaitra Sukaldi. Union Home Minister and Senior BJP leader Amit Shah inaugurated a state-level cooperative conclave at Patna and also addressed a public meeting at Gopalganj in Bihar today. India Nihal Sarin has clinched the 2025 Tashkent Open Azaz Move Memorial title in Tashkent, Uzbekistan.